just put this screen radio in my 94 GMC. I will leave the link to the parts I used. Because you have to replace the original, this piece here, the mount, I guess, or something, and you gotta swap your vents into it, and it just hooks up like any other stereo. The speakers in here are, the ones up front aren't too bad. Those back ones are kind of blown out. I'll just replace the front ones. It's way easier. I'm not gonna play music for this video because I don't want to get copyrighted. But once it gets a little bit darker out here and I take it for a spin, I'll kind of show how it works. It has a backup camera, but I haven't hooked that completely up yet. I lost part of the cord for it. I'm trying to wire the backup cam on to my light bars so I can just turn that on whenever I want, whenever the light bars are on. I also ordered this cubby to replace the factory radio where it sits. So a little lip on there, you can put stuff in there. It works pretty good. Different settings. Shut it off. Dim.